Kia ora team. I'm going to show you how to set a file printout as a page background. What this means is that students are then not able to edit it or delete it. So those are two quite handy things. And the pluses, well, more pluses, they are able to draw all over it or mark it with ink, digital ink, or they can also add little bits of type into it. So let's have a look. I'm currently showing you this on OneNote 2016. The first way that I show you how to do it, you can use this same method on Windows OneNote. So first thing we're going to do is find our file printout. Well, insert a file printout. So let's go. Alrighty, so I have a pre-prepared squares document. And so in it goes in a moment. And here we go, boom, there it is. All right, what you can see here is I've got my Word document, Word icon, so students would be able to open it as a Word document and work on it should they wish. I don't actually want that, so I'm going to get rid of it. Now I have clicked on the file printout, and what you can see is that there's double lines in particular. It's the small little dots and squares and things that mean I could get rid of it. So that's not particularly helpful for what I want to do. So I've just popped it back. What I'm going to do is I'll shrink the screen. I want to just move that up a bit. Great, I've got it in the position that I want it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cursor on top of that file printout and I'm going to right click. You can see I've got a whole heap of options, and if I scroll down towards the bottom, you see set picture as background, and that's what we're going to do. So now when I put my cursor on the picture, that was a file printout but no longer is, I can't bring up the little move me or delete me functions. So this is really handy because here I go, I can draw on it, I can write on it, etc. I can type on it, etc., etc., etc. So that's cool. Now, if I always wanted to do this with my file printouts, I could make it a lot simpler. Only in the 2016 OneNote. To do this, I'm going to go to File, go right down the bottom to Options, and then I'm going to look for Advanced. Now, in Advanced, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm looking for Printout Options. So we'll hit it. There we go, Printout. The second one says Automatically Set Inserted File Printouts in the Background. So that means they can't be altered, can't be deleted, etc. So let's tick that. That means it will always happen. So now, now if I insert my file printout, and she goes, and I right click, it's not going to, I can't move it. What I might do, I tend to, my philosophy is the least amount of clicks for students, the better. And on this particular occasion, I don't want them to work on the Word document, so I'm going to get rid of it. So there you go. I hope you find that helpful. We'll just have a wee look. This is OneNote for Windows. Now, it hasn't been letting me do this, but we'll just check anyway. It is the same method. I think it doesn't let me because I'm screen recording. I'm using another Microsoft product on top of it. So if I hit print out, I'll be able to find it. Oh, it's worked this time. Oh no, it hasn't. Okay, what would happen is exactly the same thing as you saw on the OneNote 2016. It'll put a Word icon, it'll also put a PDF icon, and then it will include your file printout. And then you right click on the file printout and choose Set as Desktop, and then you're done. Good. Hope you found that useful.